Corbin here at the 7P, and our springs popped for the third time on our lt15. I'm going to show you how to replace it and where this thing comes in handy. So the first thing I do is you gotta lock it in place with this, and you just have to pull that out, and then you go and pull it, and it's got holes in there, so that'll lock right in place. Now we've got a strap, just in case, safety precaution. Drop that down there, and make sure you don't squish any of your tubes. And then just lock that in place and tighten it down. And I'm short, so I need a ladder. Step 3, we got a 9/16 socket and a side. We're gonna have to go up there, loosen the cable, and take it off the top of the spring. And with the sawmill all the way up, there should be very little pressure on the spring. Now we're gonna take this nut all the way off the bolt because we've tried to only loosen it just to the very top, but when we only loosen it to the very top, it's still a bear to get that cable off this. So we got a little nifty trick where if we take our side, we stick it right on in there, we can then take this and we can take it all the way off, and it'd be easy to get it off there. And now this just slides right off. Booyah. So we got a 1/2 wrench and a 3/16 Allen wrench, and that's to take this bolt off, so then we can get our cylinders to come out of that. Alright, so we got that bolt almost out, but it's a little tricky to get it out. So Dad's gonna lift on the springs and see if it's, oh, came out real easy. Then your springs can just come right on out. Now we're on step 5, and we got 2 screws on both sides of our mast, and those are what is holding in our gas springs, and I'm gonna need an Allen wrench to get those out. Now we have to take these out and replace them with these. And they should just come out just like that. Now we have to take these off and put them on our new gas springs. These don't really have to be very tight. You just have to get your screw holes lined up straight. And something to look at is only one side has threads. So if you're trying to get it on there, you want to make sure you get your threads. Now we can put them back in. Now I got it all aligned. I'll just start both first. Now that you got that done, you can go ahead and start reassembling the sawmill. All right, now we have to put those gas springs back in. I'm a little small, so Dad's gonna help me do that. Oh, bring it back up. There we go. Now we're back to the 1/2 wrench and the 3/16 Allen key, and I have to get this nut started there. Back up top, and you have to put in the cable. The easiest way I found is to actually do this wheel first, then you do that wheel. So you have to come down here, and you have to get that, make sure it's on your wheel. Then you have your big washer that has to go on there. Then you can twist it, get your saw in there, get it through your spot. Washer. Your nut. And then you have your 9/16 washer. And you can go. Tighten that right on there. Side, 9/16 socket. All right, now that we got it installed, we better see if it works. Oh yeah. It works. Yeah, it was pretty easy, but I hope I don't have to do it too much more. It's kind of getting old, but I'm good at it now. Gas spring swap complete. The mill's back in business. One thing I learned is that SI comes in handy. So hit the like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen too. 7P out.